Hello everyone, Michael here from Adventures Real Estate Investors. That's right, I'm back for another 10-part series on asset management where I'm going to share with you 10 more tips to help you become an elite asset manager. So stay tuned for the next 9 videos after this one. And if you're watching this in the future, then you have access to all 9 and can binge them all back to back. So in this video, I'm going to discuss one thing that most, if not all, successful asset managers are doing. But before I jump into the video, if you like the channel and the content that Susie and I are putting out, please go ahead and smash that like button below and subscribe to our channel here. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can be notified when we release new content. All right, so let's get into it. The one thing that most, if not all, successful asset managers are doing is using a project management software tool. There are several great tools out there like Asana, Trello, Monday.com, etc. We use Asana because it was recommended to me, so I started using it and really enjoy the interface and the power of the software. In full disclosure, I haven't used or tried any of the others, so please give them a try and see which one suits you the best. I'm not sponsored by Asana, but I'm not saying I wouldn't turn down a sponsorship. Anyways, in Asana, we are able to create a new workspace for each one of our properties. And in each workspace, we are able to input every single project that is going on for our property. For example, at one of our properties, we are remodeling the leasing office. So that is a task that has been created, and I'm able to assign it to our regional manager and add collaborators like other managers of our asset management team or the on-site manager, and add a due date if necessary as well. Once the task has been set up, all the communication regarding the leasing office remodel stays in that task thread. All the quotes, the before and after pictures, the comments, and the approvals can be added and stay within that task thread. Using this tool streamlines the entire communication process because everything is in one place versus having to dig up old emails and finding quotes that might have been sent to another email address and that whole nightmare, right? So additionally, there is a mobile app that allows us to communicate with our property manager hour by hour if approval is needed for a specific task. Again, increasing productivity and efficiency between you as the asset manager and the property manager that is on site. Bottom line, if you're an asset manager and you are not using a project management software tool, I would highly suggest that you consider looking into one. Because of the simplicity of Asana, when we have implemented it, our property management team hopped on board immediately and started using it and absolutely love using it on a daily basis now. Okay guys, I hope you found value in this video, and don't forget to stay tuned for the remaining 9 videos that will follow. So until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.